Newspaper Christmas star. Are you interested in making a beautiful hanging star for decoration this Christmas? You can make this Christmas star from magazine, newspaper, and telephone directory. Namaste, friends. Welcome back to Sangeeta's Kreations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. So my friends, let's start making this beautiful star. For this you will be needing, well my friends, for making this star you will need few newspaper tubes, and if you want to learn how to make them, please watch my video and the link is in the description below. Take 2 tubes and apply glue on the tip of the toothpick and insert in this tube. Now on the other end apply glue and insert in this tube like this. So now you have a long tube. Bend it here and measure 20 centimeter. Bend the tube like this. Bend it here, over here. Now make a triangle this way. Apply glue over here, paste and attach cloth pin. Make one more, so you have a pair with you this way. Adjust both the triangles to form a star and attach a cloth pin this way. Now to start weaving, bend the tube over here, bring it in front, overlap this way, again bend it, bring it in front, overlap over here, attach a cloth pin this way. Now to extend the tube, take another tube, apply glue and insert. So you have a long tube with you to weave. Same way repeat, bend the tube behind, bring it in front this way, overlap. Now where we started, over here, attach cloth pin. Now we are going to weave in opposite direction in the same way. Bring it in front, overlap, again bend, bring it in front this way. Same way we will be needing a long tube, so insert a new tube, apply glue and insert it this way and weave in the same manner. Bend it, take it behind, bring it in front, over here, adjust the tube. Now attach cloth pin. We are going to weave in opposite direction in the same manner. Keep on weaving in the same manner. For more Christmas craft, Please watch my previous videos and don't miss any upcoming videos. For that, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get notifications whenever I upload a new videos. If you want to learn any specific craft, please mention below. Keep on repeating this way. Attach cloth pin here. See, you have all three each side. You can make 4 or 5, it's up to you. Now here apply glue, paste it, attach cloth pin, and here cut the extra, apply glue, paste and attach cloth pin. It's done. So you have to make one more. Now color this star with golden color. When it dries up, apply glue and sprinkle glitter on it this way. Let it dry completely. Now to decorate, you can decorate this way or you as per to your choice, whichever you feel good. Now paste both the stars with hot glue as shown. Isn't it so beautiful? You can hang it on wall, door, indoor, or you can place it on Christmas tree. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up, share, comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you for watching, supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.